Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro and we have this footage right here. So I'm going to show you the best way on how you can remove your green screen in your videos. So the first thing that we would need to do is go into the effects tab on your here in your panel, and you want to go search for Ultra Key. And you want to go search for Ultra, and you have Ultra Key, and you want to drag it into your green screen clip. And if you can find the effects tab, you can find it here under window, and make sure that the effects is checked right there. And once you have dragged your Ultra Key effect right here in your footage, all you have to do is click this eyedropper tool and tap onto the green screen right here. As you can see, it's now removed. Or you can just also adjust it right here, find the green value that you have, but it is more accurate to use the eyedropper right here. This icon right here, this one is more accurate. And now when we put a background, so let's just put a background right here real quick. So let's just go and put a color map right here so that we can see the background. So it will be red right there. And when we put it right here, we can see that the green screen is now gone. The background is now red because the background that we have, the color matte, is red. So that is basically how you can remove your green screen here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.